Hey folks, welcome to Unit 3, Brand Identity Design. So basically I wanted to do a quick little overview, show you where we're at, cover any things that might be a little bit not clear. So we're going to be focusing on brand elements this unit and specifically logo types and the topology of marks, big data, social media, social justice types of things that you might see in your textbook in both versions, both in version 3 and version 5. I know several of you have version 3 and some of you have version 5, and that is fine. We're going to cover a lot of the same things, and I will specify which pages are in which text as best as I can throughout the term. Okay, so you want to start with your instructions, and I have a couple supporting interesting videos. One is more of a quiz. Actually, I'll go back in and put quiz there so you remember, but it's kind of fun. How well do you know these brand logos? We also have a study sheet this unit, and so the study sheet, once you're ready, you want to upload it there after you complete it. I give it to you both in Word and in a PDF just in case, but there you go. Should be there just in case some people can't open one or the other. I give you several formats, or if you want to open this right up, copy it, paste it, or you can just type right in the form field in the submission link. The next thing is a forum. If I go up to the instructions, the forum talks a little bit more about the forum here. So basically you want to post for logo examples, you want to post one example of each of the following logo types that are covered in your textbook. I'd love you to go find one that's outside the textbook, not the examples in the textbook. So find a brand mark, a word mark, a letter form, an emblem, a pictorial mark, or an abstract symbolic mark. Take a look at the way that they look in your textbook, get an idea, and then go out and find logos like that if you can. Do your best to find one of each example and post those to the forum, and then respond to your peers. Maybe you notice maybe your peers isn't really understanding what an emblem is. Talk to them about what you believe an emblem is respectfully, and see if we can help each other learn the differences. It's easy to recognize once you get the hang of it, but sometimes it takes a little bit. Next, the study sheet that I had talked about. You want to complete that, and then lastly, there's one more forum called Name That Brand, and that is interesting because it's similar to that little quiz that I gave you, but it's a little bit different. It I want you to be able to pull your own perspective into this. So find 5 additional croppings of letters from logos that you think could be recognizable. So look at, for your version 5 textbook, page 25 shows you several little examples of logos, but they are just croppings of a letter, and you're supposed to guess what logo it is. And then for your version 3 textbook, that would be on page 51. So check that out. Post screen captures of pictures. Once you've posted, respond to at least 2 of your peers with your guess at what logo you think their letters are from. So again, you want to have 5 examples that you go and find. That should be easy to find. It could be anything. Look in your pantry, look around you. I'm sure you could find something with a logo and take a quick little snapshot picture of it. If you can. If you're unable to take pictures, maybe you don't have a camera, go ahead and do some web searches and some screen captures for this part of the forum. We're just going to kind of hash out recognizability, like amongst each other with logos and brands. So I think this is a great forum. It's a little fun. Let me know if you have questions or concerns, and have a great week. I'll see you in next week's virtual video.